Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. In last video, we are discussing the part diagram of a butterfly wall. So today we are going to construct that how to assemble that butterfly parts of it. So first we have called it is a base part. It's a body. Once you call the body part, you can see that the first part, whenever we call it, become it is grounded over here. So now the next part I will call that one over here. It is shaft. So now the shaft we have to place such a way that the part is inside to the inner body. So for that one, first I'll rotate this shaft because this end will go to the inside. Okay, I'll rotate properly. So once I rotated this part, okay, in a proper method, the next we'll go that here constraint by axis. Next I will go to it is a constraint to face from this face to up to 100 over on this face. So this is a shaft will be. Next it will be that the retainer will be placed. So you call the retainer in outside. For that one, the constraint from axis to axis. Next from this axis to over here. Last is face to face. So retainer is over now. After that, I will constrain that a part. So where I will place the plate over here. So for that one, this part will be disturbed. So what I will do over here, the body and the retainer, okay, visibility and this is off, so that only that it is the shaft and remaining will be the visibility off. So I will do the plate inserted over here. So plate part, all the plate part. Next constraint to this face to up to this face. Next I will go to this axis to this axis, apply, and final will be this axis to this axis. Okay, so now this is a completely constraint. So again I visibility I make it clear it over here. So I make visibility on. Similarly the return will be visibility on over here. Okay, now next one, there is a 3 screw over here. So place the 3 screw. Next constraint to axis to this axis, apply. Next this face to up to the face of the screw. Next the second screw, and the face to this face, apply. Similarly the third screw, apply, and this face to up to this face. The next one I call it is a place part, it's called R. So bigger dia it will go to the area. So constraint that in the part is from here to this shaft. Apply. Next, the call back for here, and it will be constrained up to this face to finally to over here. Similarly, it will be that nut will be inserted over here. The nut path and constrain from this to over here. Apply, and similarly this face to final. This one and apply. So this is the end of our assembly diagram. In next video we are going to discuss that how to make it a drafting of this assembly part. Okay. Thank you for watching. In next video we will go for it as a